In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually connect custom domain to Webflow website, step by step. We'll start right inside your Webflow dashboard. From here, pick the project you want to connect to your custom domain. If you manage multiple sites, double check you've opened the correct one so you don't make changes to the wrong project. Once you've selected it, head over to its settings. This is where all the domain and publishing options live, and it's the safest place to configure anything related to how your site goes live on the web. Next, look for the highlighted option that opens your project's controls. It's typically the settings gear next to your site. Click that and then choose settings when it appears. You may see settings in more than one place as you navigate. Go ahead and confirm you're in the site level settings panel for the specific project you want to publish. Inside the site settings, find the publishing section. This tab is designed specifically for going live and managing domains, so it keeps everything you need in one spot. If you ever lose your place, just return to your project and reopen settings. The publishing tab is easy to recognize once you've seen it. Here's an important note. Connecting a custom domain requires a paid site plan. If your site already has an active plan, you'll see the option to connect your custom domain right here. If not, you'll be prompted to add a plan first, which unlocks the domain features. On the publishing page, you'll be guided through adding your domain and confirming ownership. Webflow will display the exact DNS records you need to use with your domain provider, typically a couple of A records for your root domain and a C name for the www version. The process really is a matter of copying those values and pasting them into your registrar's DNS settings. Keep your existing records tidy to avoid conflicts and let the default TTL values stand unless you know you need something different. After saving DNS changes, give it time to propagate. This can be fast, but it may take up to 48 hours worldwide. Once the connection is verified, you'll be able to choose your default domain and confirm SSL is enabled for a secure padlock protected site. When everything looks green, publish your site so both the root domain and the www version serve your latest build. If you want extra guidance, open the Learn How to Set Up Custom Domain Hosting Help article from this page. It mirrors the same copy and paste flow and answers common registrar specific questions, and that's it. Your custom domain is connected. Congratulations.